Okay, troubleshooting for the accessory socket or cigarette lighter is this fuse right down here underneath the driver's seat. Sorry for the lighting, but you'll see here the front accessory socket is 29. So then you'll see, if you look up here, is these bad boys. And it's going to be this 20. This 23 up, all the way to the left, 3 up, that 21. You gotta check that, place it, and I'll show you something. Okay, so if we go into the hood, you'll see the other fuse box right here. If you take that off by pushing in these straps, you'll see it comes with a fuse puller and some extra fuses. Pretty simple. You just pop this bad boy on there like that, and then you push these, push the inside here. Hard to do with one hand, but you push it and pull it out just like that. I don't know, you couldn't see. Like I said, hard with one hand, but you get the gist of it. And to put it back in, you can do the same thing. Just push it in and then get this out of here. So that's it. Okay, so if you tested and your fuse is not the problem, and this is the problem, you have to replace the cigarette lighter, the socket. So you can test that with a multimeter on the fuse, test both ends to make sure it's connectivity. Test on here for DC and see if there's 0 or higher. It should be, I don't know, over 12 or something like that. You should see a reading on it. If you don't see anything, it's probably bad. To replace this, we're just going to pull that up. Pull this out, and now see this crap right here. You'll see the little notch right here. Okay, and the key to getting this off, which is kind of a pain, is you have to put your hook, a dental hook or whatever, put a hook under there, and then pull this bottom part out. That'll probably release a little bit here. And then you can stick a screwdriver all the way back there and push this out. This basically comes down, so it pops out, down, out. You're looking to get these clips out. See these clips right here? They pop back into here. So this part just needs to pop out. If you don't have a pick, I made one myself off of some landscaping hooks. You just have to file this down a little bit. Just stick it in there, pull this out. So to get these clips off, you'll see on this side there's a push right here. You push this in. You just push this in and pull out. Push in, pull out. On this one, to get the USB off, there's a clip on the bottom. So you push this in and pull out from the bottom. Sorry, I wasn't on it. You can see right here. It's all the way back here. You just push that in, pull out. It'll be in there like that. So put your thumb down here, push in, pull out. I hope that helps, because it's a pain when you don't know. I'll help you out more than I found on the internet. No one has a good video of telling you how to remove this. They just show you it's removed. To remove this, there's 2 clips, right? So you can see one right there. Here, better yet, let me use my screwdriver. You can see one right here. It's that clip right here. And on the other side, it's right there. It lines up with the 2 holes that are inside here. So you see the hole right there and the hole right there. These basically have to push out. So you have to push that out, and then this unit comes out, down and out. So now, to put the new one in, I got this from eBay. I'll link it in the description. Put the new one in, you look at this notch right here. Do you see the notch right here? You'll notice here there's a notch right there. So just simply line that notch up. Sorry for the bad zoom, but you get the idea. Very simple to come back in. Take this out, it's such a pain. If you're having some troubles, and you probably will, what I did to really get this out was to stick a screwdriver. I use these tiny screwdrivers, right? These tiny screwdrivers. I used one here, and I used like a little Torx bit. Anything that's really going to work as long as the small enough to hit the hole. I pushed one inside this side while I was using the screwdriver up here to pull this lever here at the same time. It was difficult. No way I could get that on screen. So you just basically need both those tabs. If you have something else like a pick or something that can get both those out, it'll do the same thing. This just, again, it comes down. So now that this is in, it's pretty self-explanatory. You're just gonna pop it back in and that'll be it.